Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 3, Playing with Numbers, exercise 3.7, question number 6. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time will they change simultaneously again? So here in this question what they have given, 3 roads are there, 3 different roads. So each and every road there is a timings. First road in 48 seconds it changes the traffic light, second road 72 and third road 108 seconds. What happened? At 7 a.m. all the 3 roads have been changed the traffic light simultaneously. What is the meaning of simultaneous? At the same time in the 3 roads, all the 3 roads have changed the traffic lights. And the question what they have asked, at what time will they change simultaneously again? So 7 a.m. they have changed simultaneously means next what is the time? Again they will change simultaneously at the same time they are asking. So whenever you are reading the word problem, if, please make a note of it. If you have the future tense, if they asked, whenever some future event is asked, at that time what you should do? You should do the LCM. What you should do? You should do the LCM. Here in the question, can you able to see? At what time will? So this is what? Future tense. When it is asked in the future, what you have to do? You have to do the LCM. Now let me find the LCM of 3 numbers. 48, 72 and 108. If you see all are even numbers, definitely this will be divisible by 2. How many times? 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then into table 7 won't come. Below that what number? 2 3s are 6. Then 1 will be there. 2 6s are 12. Then 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Again if you see here also it will be divisible by 2 because all the ending digits are even number. 2 12s are 24. Then 2 18s are 36. Then 2 27s are 54. Again now I can do with the 2 tables itself. 2 6 are 12. Then 2 9s are 18. So this 27 won't divisible because it is an odd number. I will write the same 27 as it is. Now all these 3 numbers if you see you can divide it by one table. What is that? It is a 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Then how many times 27 is coming? 3 9s are 27. Now if you see, let me complete 3 first. In 3 table 2 won't come. I will write the same 2 as it is. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again what I will do? I will multiply with the 3, 2, 1. This will become as 1. Then at last finally what I will do? I will divide it by 2. So last step I reached all as 1 1 1. Now let me find the LCM. So how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 2s are there. First write like this the smaller digits and then how many 3s are there? 1 2 3. 3 3s are there. Now multiply it. Find the LCM. What is the LCM you are getting it? You will get the LCM as 432. Okay. Now we have discussed about what? We all discussed about the seconds. So what is your answer? 432 seconds. Now what we have to do? We all know, right? How many minutes is equal to 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds, right? We all know this concept. So based on that we are going to find 432 seconds into minutes. We are going to convert. So what we have to do? We have to divide 432 divided by 60. Yes, we'll do it here. 432 divided by 60. How many times it will come? 7 times. 432 divided. If you want you can check it. 60 into 7. 6 7s are 42. So 420. Now subtract it. 2 it will come 12. So 7 minutes, the remainder you should consider as your seconds. So 7 minutes 12 seconds. After 7 a.m. 7 minutes 12 seconds it will take. So how you will write that? Let me show you. So how you will write that? This is the way, right? 7 a.m. means what? 7 hours, minutes and seconds. Am I right? This is your hours, this is your minutes, this is your seconds. Here what answer we found? 7 minutes 12 seconds. So where it will come? 7 minutes 12 seconds. So after 7 hours, 7 minutes 12 seconds. Am I clear, children? So the light will change at 7 hours, 7 minutes 12 a.m. simultaneously. Again, you can conclude the answer like that. So what is the hint in the question? If anything is asked, whenever something is asked in future event, what you have to do? You have to use the LCM concept. After finding the LCM, check it is 432 seconds. Then I have converted the seconds into minutes and seconds. I have divided. Then finally have reached the answer. Am I clear? Thank you. Thanks for watching.